Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back into the channel. Today we will be exploring Ravencoin because it's now top 100 and we can see we're getting a massive pump on the 24-hour time frame. Ladies and gents, if you're new to the channel, slap that subscribe button, like, comment, and just support the growth because it really matters, and I'm so thankful for all the recent new subscribers as well as existing. So what's going on at the moment with Ravencoin? We can see we are up 15% against the one and only Bitcoin, up 12% against Ethereum, so some pretty big gains. A lot of juicy volume has also come in recently too, and a market cap of 364 million, so we can certainly see a possible 10x from these particular levels in the future. Looking at the year, we can see Raven has struggled. It's come down from $0.14 all the way down to the lows of 0.02, sorry, and now we're just sort of finally getting that bounce out of this sideways consolidation phase. Had a little bit of research. We can see Raven surges 26% in less than 2 days. That's amazing. Ravencoin is one of the most promising proof of work blockchains that focuses on the creation and management of digital assets. They're secure, instant transfer, and fair mining. So really nice to see this particular growth, especially during a crypto bear market. Project Raven as well, another tweet here, really bullish in regards to Ravencoin. Ravencoin is about to have a lot more hash power securing the network. It's already an extremely secure network with a solid structure. Now is a good time to learn about this project and share what you've learned. So I agree, to be honest. I mean, let's look at the market cap, the history here. We can see the previous all-time high on the market cap was around actually it's a bit higher. Let's just go to full screen mode. We can see we came up to a 2 billion. So if we do return to 2 billion again in the future, you're looking at around a 6x, I think, from the current price levels that we are sitting at. We obviously came out of a low, and we can see obviously that the release supply is increasing because we already had a market cap over here at 500 mil. Now, what's interesting is that we are in a macro downtrend, constant lower highs as well as lower lows. But I do think we're getting quite close to the bottom here for our friend Raven. Bit of speculation today, just to show you Raven is one of the top performers. As we see, Lunar Classics obviously stealing the show, but Raven is actually printing some really bullish candles right now. This is the website for Ravencoin. We can see Ravencoin is a peer-to-peer blockchain handling the efficient creation and transfer of assets from one party to another. I'm not going to read through the entire website, but we can see that it's a protocol based on the fork of Bitcoin code, which adds features specifically focused on allowing tokens to be issued on the Ravencoin blockchain. So it's its own entire ecosystem and blockchain. These tokens have whatever properties the issue of token decides, so they can be limited in quantity. I love the website. I think it's nice. It's unique, it's different to Bitcoin. Block reward of 5,000 Raven instead of 50 Bitcoin. Block time of 1 minute instead of 10. Total coin supply is 21 billion instead of 21 million. So there's a few sort of similarities, but it's of course different. It's also, pools as well, so you can actually mine this depending on the efficiency of your GPU hardware or your graphics card of your PC. To start mining Raven, you'll first need to create a wallet and generate a wallet address. That's your RVN can be paid into. So I'm actually quite keen to learn a bit more about this mining, and I might even give it a go myself as I do upgrade my graphics card rather soon. We've also got their own Wikipedia, which is really cool for trust, transparency, and all that other good stuff. So I think it looks really nice, and this could be a project that might easily do a 10x in the future, guys. So let's have a look at some TA on this particular coin here. So this is the Ravencoin charts. We can see just recently, a few weeks ago on the 30th of July, we got rejected at this 0.043 price level. Then we came down, we got rejected again at the 0.041 resistance level. We came down to around 0.027 and found a nice healthy support level. So from this swing high to swing low, we did unfortunately drop 39%, and that's why we're now getting that swing high back up. We did see a 41% increase. Currently at trading prices of 0.034, we're seeing a 28% increase. So daily time frame on the Bollinger Bands, we are looking a little bit overextended, which does mean we might actually see a pullback. But this candle here with the volume wick on the bottom of the body, as we can see, this candle is reflecting a lot of accumulation, which is really bullish, but we are sitting at the top of the Bollinger Band, which does mean we could potentially see a bit of a reversal here. We still have this support level of 0.027 to look out for, where I think we would see a potential bounce if we do retest that level. If we look at the 4-hour time frame and just see what's happening, perfect looking correction here. As you see, if we get the Fibonacci extension from this swing low to swing high, we came to the 0.618 golden pocket Fibonacci level just perfectly before taking another bounce. It looks a bit like a falling wedge. Very, very classic sort of pump followed by retracement, followed by continuation to the upside. But we are printing a bit of a red candle here on the hourly time frame. We were very overbought on the RSI and overbought here on the RSI, but I think, to be honest, Ravencoin looks quite promising. Maybe we can actually retest the 0.041 level, and then if we do break through that previous resistance up here, retest, come up, break through, then we'll come up to 0.043 and hopefully see some continuation. Of course, this depends on the trajectory of Bitcoin, but I would like to see Ravencoin at least try to retest these previous resistances, as I think that's quite important. The reason these are such major resistance levels is because of 0.041 resistance on the 15th of February 2020, and also when we had the first Wyckoff distribution on the 22nd of June 2021. So we are starting to put through what looks like the inception of a new uptrend since the 15th of June. This key level of support. Key level of support. It's just a giant ascending channel, a triangle, sorry. So it's very critical to look at that as an ascending triangle. We could get an explosive breakout, and if we do, I would expect to see Ravencoin climb up to the 0.076 levels at some point in 2022, if not early 2023. So keep an eye out on this project. Of course, we can lose the support level on this diagonal and come down. We don't know what the bottom is for Bitcoin just yet, but I'm feeling extremely bullish on this particular price structure, especially putting through these high highs for the last good 2 months, the higher lows and the higher highs. It's really, really important. But again, let's not get too euphoric too soon. We could easily lose support once again. Guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you come say hello in the Discord. Almost 400 people in here at the moment. Don't be shy. Share anything that you want to learn about crypto. Share all your insights, any new crazy things that you've seen. We're all here to have a nice crypto chat. Make sure you do subscribe to the channel too. That really, really helps. And look at this. Fear and greed index is sitting at 23. So we might see a bit of continuation to the downside, but I do think fear always represents opportunity. If you invested in May or June 2022, you'd be looking really, really good at the moment. So yeah, a bit of food for thought. Fear is sometimes a good friend. It's your ally. And I think that's about a wrap, really. Check out the $100,000 Tamadoge giveaway down below and help me out, guys. It means so much if you simply subscribe and increase my engagements, help me push through into that YouTube algorithm, which, to be honest, feels pretty bulletproof right now. So I really appreciate that. Subscribe. Bye for now. Take care. Stay crypto safe. Thank you.